Simeon, what are you doing? The comment there said type code for append here. So you're expected to type a code there. Don't just, you are not supposed to just type the comment and leave it. What is the code that will make append to work for this particular code? That's the essence of the assignment. It's not just to copy and paste. Did you even see that there is a scroll up in this your WhatsApp this thing, and I think there was an array that was created before this menu or after it. Okay. So the thing is that if you are to append something, can you append something without first having a list?
No.
Uh-huh. So somewhere after menu, there should be a list somewhere. You'd have created a list before you start doing this while through. A list was supposed to be there in place so that, okay, when you want to type the code for append, you now know, okay, that append belongs to that particular list. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So you can, I don't know if you can take that out and then create a list. No, you're not done now. Just create an empty list because right now there's nothing inside. So that's the assumption. Is that how you create list in Python? Better. So that's an empty list. Now you can now go to the next line and type the while statement. You can paste whatever it is. I hope it was cut that you did. I thought you cut something. Was it not cut?
No, sir.
No. Don't forget that while through again. Remove the parentheses. Remove the parentheses and put a space after yes. So if choice equals one, so you can now put, you stop sharing.
Okay. Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
So if you want to append something to a list, what are the things you need to do in code that will help you to append that thing to that list?
Mhm.
Hmm? Is
Um,
it just to call the append method?
no.
So what else? What are you supposed to do before you call the append method? Quickly. Hmm?
Um, uh,
All the times that we've appended in the past, what did we do first before you appended something?
have a list.
You what?
Have a list.
We already have the list. After you have the list, what else do you do before you call the append method? Hmm?
So it comes to one.
You ask the user to enter what they wish to append, isn't it?
Mm, yes.
Unless you want to start assuming things. Do you just start with an input statement or you start with the variable where the input will be put in?
So what should I call it?
Anything. It's your code. You call it anything you want.
It's not called.
What?
I need to tell my mom something.
Huh. Are you still you are saying I think was it you or Shalom? Shalom was saying that you'll be ending at 5:45. You still want to end at 5:45?
Well, this is, yeah, this is tell my mom something.
Ah, the time that we have is not even enough.
Oh, God. No, sure.
Ah,
What's that? On that.
you've not appended it now. How would you go to the next choice when you've not done what the first one said should be done? You ask the person what the person would like to append. The person has typed it in and it's now inside the variable called code. What are you going to do with what the person has given to your program? Is the name of your list code or code is the thing that you want to append? Which one?
I want to attend code.
If you want to append code to something, is it code that you should be calling append on? Is it not on the list you should be calling append on?
Mm.
Mm. What are you? Where is the thing you're appending now? After each one, it is advised that you should print the list to see if there's anything inside. That's just the best thing to do. So after you have appended, make sure that you are printing list to see if there's anything really inside. Is it list you called it or list T? Now go to the second. Why did you hit enter twice? You're not done. Do you understand the error is showing you at all? It's yes, that's the error. So yeah, you are doing the next one now. What does choice two say?
Right,
I
right,
don't think
cool.
that indent is not correct though. It's not lining up with the one at the top there. Not for that one, the where the comment is starting. Not where the comment is starting. I think maybe that's what even affected it. What is that one for? Type code
Right,
to straight clear. What does the clear method do?
it lets go.
Don't go and hit enter too much. Oh. Uh-huh. before you go and exit the while loop again. So it removes all the elements in the list. Yeah, that indent is about to get you into trouble. That indent is about to get you into trouble. I can assure you, what you just did now is about to get you into trouble. You can't have more than two lines of code cannot be on different levels in the same if statement. It's not possible. I don't know why you went and started touching the one that you've already passed. That did not have any error. That code should line up with where the if statement, with where um, the comment started. Simeon, what are you waiting for?
Is it automatically?
The list now, you've already typed it, list.clear. There's nothing else to type there. It's not every for a method that takes an argument. This one doesn't take any argument. So just go to the next line, you print your list and go to the next menu. It's obvious that when you're testing them, you cannot be testing something like choice two when you have not put anything inside the list. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
So when you're testing there's no law that said you must test choice two before you test choice one. No, it's logical. You have to put something inside the list before you empty it. So you can now go to the next choice. No, it can't be 12 now. How will you skip three? Did you not see those dot dot dot? It means that there are several other things in between. There's three, there's four, there's five, there's six, there's seven. Just follow it. Then you'll get through with the comment now so that you can go to the code for that.
Not able to go. But I don't know what to put in here.
You don't know what?
What to put.
What have you been putting in all the ones that you've done so far?
Yes, for appends, for the more demo things.
So
I
what do you
don't know what
expect?
else to put. Hmm.
What is choice three supposed to be for? From the menu there, what did you see there? No, look at your code now. Leave WhatsApp. Look at your code that's in front of you. Uh-huh. And now align that comment well so that it lines up with the others. So, have you done anything with copy before?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Do you remember calling the copy method before?
Yeah. No,
Eh? You don't.
not really. I know
I
it's
didn't hear what you
copies.
said.
I said not really.
Okay. So if you want to use the copy, like the name implies, it will simply make a copy of the list. So for you to make a copy of a list, it means that you may need to put it in another list. So you can move your cursor to the beginning of that line on the left-hand side before the L. So you can quickly just do another list, maybe call it list O or something. I don't know, just to differentiate it from list T. So you can say list O equals assignment operator that, and then why are you scrolling up? Just give it a name and then put assignment operator there. List one. Then hit enter after the end of that line, after the end of that line at the right hand side. So you're going to print list one and print list T. That will show you that they are the same thing. So that means you have made a copy of list T into list one. Then you also make a copy of list one to prove that both of them are the same.
Or
Make a copy of list one, print list one also. No, you can't do that. You can't do that. Not in the same line. On the different line, you do another print statement. You've not closed the print statement. Okay, so you can go to the next menu. That one is for count. I think we have done count, so you should remember what we did for count. Returns the number of elements with the specified value. When we did count, what did we do? How did we do it? How did we call the method? Hmm? Is that all we did?
No, you put something in the parentheses.
And I can't hear what you're saying.
So you put something in the parentheses.
So now that we cannot read our user's mind, it means that we have to ask them for what they want to count. So that means that you need something like what you did for that append. Maybe you ask them, what would you like to count? No, it's not. That's not how you do it, though. You have to do another input statement there. It's not that first, the one for choice one that you use. You can't depend on that one. You have to do another input statement before you call count. Which element would you, which word, or I don't know how you want to put it. What would you like to count? Okay. Now, remember, when you count something, when you count, it will have to return a value. So you can't just ignore it. Simeon, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
You've not done anything with the count. You just called count. You've not done anything with it. You just called dot count. So nothing will show until you print the result of count. Do you understand what I'm saying? So that place where you have list dot count, you're supposed to say print list dot count, not just count. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So that whole statement. No, not there, not there, not there. Just put a print statement on the statement before that line. Remove that count from there. Leave that one for the list. That one is okay for the list. So the one above it should have a print statement around it. Should have a print statement around it. So you can just put a print statement around it. Put a print statement around the list dot count code E. Just put a print.
I put it away. I should put it away.
There.
Sir,
Yes.
Where should I put it?
On that place where you have list t.count, you put a print statement on that line. That's what I'm saying. Print it. Don't just type list.count. Put print. Then you now put the parentheses around it. Yes, that's what I mean. Your print is not well spelled too. Going to cause an error. Okay, what's the next one? Choice 5 is extend. When you want to call extend, what does it involve?
Hmm.
Extend adds the elements of a list or any iterable to the end of the current list. So, so that tells us that we need another list, isn't it? So for the purpose of this homework, you can just create a default list and then we will do this thing, extend our existing list by that list. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So just create any random list and just say, put three elements there. Then we'll extend your list T by that list. But I don't think that indentation level is the same as the others. So you need to address that. Are these supposed to be separate elements? They don't look separate to me. Oh. You have to put them in each of their own quotation marks. So you can't, if you do this, it's as good as if it's just one. I didn't say exclamation mark. Oh. Then line up that line. It's not lining up with the comment. So you go ahead and extend your list by what you just did there. And then don't forget to print your list quickly. Yeah, you're done with 5. Print the list and go to the next one. Don't forget to line it up. What does index do?
The index of the first element which returns the index of the first element with the specified value.
Good. So what does that tell you? Again, we can't read our user's mind. We need to ask them which element are they interested in. So you need something like your input statement to ask them what element would you like us to return its index. So you need an input statement there. Anytime you are writing code and the code is suggesting that the user needs to tell you something for it to work, that means you need an input statement for it, because you can't try to be reading the user's mind and you can't be thinking for the user.
Format.
I just said it now. Enter the elements whose index you would like to find or something. Enter the element whose index you need. So you can now go to the next line and call the index method on your list and supply that one as the argument. You're not using your intelligence. I keep telling you, when you don't depend on intelligence, you are prone to mistakes. Go ahead, hit enter and return and go to the next menu. Oh, you've not even print, you have to print it now. If you get the index, how will you show the person? You have to print it. So put a print statement on that line where you have index. You put a print statement on that line before you do the print list. You still print though, you still print the list, but there should be a print statement on that line. Yes. A print statement. Why did you put assignment operator? It's this thing you should be putting there. Parentheses. Okay, now print your list. The one you just did now was supposed to be for index. You've already done 6 now. What happened? Simeon, what happened to the one you just did? Ah, you've forgotten that you've done 6 already.
Right to go.
So what one? Which one is 7 doing? Insert.
Ready to go.
Save this code. You continue it tomorrow. It means that we have to do a copy and paste and then because we can't once you save it now, we can't execute it again. Save it as homework 34 or something. I don't know how you save it. Homework 34, grand finale for list. Grand finale for list. Click on save. We'll finish it tomorrow and then we'll test it.
Quel que soit.
All right.
Et en bas, soit.
All right, goodbye.